All right. Welcome again, people, to MG Sports TV. Glad to have you guys here with me today, and we're going to discuss the Champions Cup final. Pretty much an interesting one, people. Really interesting. As you know, Jamaica College versus Kingston College, JC versus KC, the college versus the college. As you guys know, big rivalry. Easter tried their best to put this just structure it like that so it goes this way, but anyways, they get what they wanted for sure, and I'm expecting a spectacle. I'm very much expecting a big spectacle in this one. No, what I'm gonna do, I'm not gonna do any predictions. Tell you from now, or should I? Stick around, all you see. Just stick around and you guys will see. Anyways, I'm gonna give you some statistics leading up to this final. Some very interesting statistics, but just a but. Despite all statistics available, there's one key factor. One key factor. One key factor. What is the key factor? An X factor. Actually, an X factor. That is the key factor. So, please, with all the statistics that I'm going to be rippling out, listen keenly. Remember the X factor. Let's go straight. So, thank you very much, people, again for joining MG Sports TV. Really appreciate it. Oh, don't forget, this is our sponsors at SAP Sports. You can check them out on Instagram at SAP Sports 4. Also, if you want to walk into the office, you can check them out in Denby, Maypen, 130th Muirhead Avenue. Don't get lost. 130th Muirhead Avenue, Denby, Maypen, Clarendon. Maypen and Maypen. One done, Clarendon. Anyways, so let's get to the details. All right. So I'm not gonna put it on the screen because I scribble everything. See that? I'm not going to show it because my handwriting, yeah. So I have to try to catch it from now, because if me wait another 5 minutes, yeah, everything I run off my paper. That's my handwriting. That's how it is. Anyways, so let's get to the meat of the matter. Games played between both teams. Interesting. 18 games played. JC has played one more games than that of Kingston College. The one game is the final of the Manning Cup. That is the one game extra that JC had played over Kingston College. JC played 19 games in total, 18 for KC. Now, this is where it gets interesting. Very interesting. Now, I checked the statistics over and over again. I could be wrong. If you know the accurate statistics for this, please do drop it in the comment section. KC scored a total of 74 goals. 74 goals, people, throughout the season. 74. That's an interesting one. 74 goals, people. Jamaica College scored a total of 78. As I said, I would implore you to go and recheck that one. Yeah, me do my due diligence, and yeah, I don't know. But anyways, hopefully it's accurate as I do my research and it shows me. Now, nonetheless, a total win of 17 for JC out of the 19. 15 for KC out of the 18. So, JC have a hedge there. JC registered 2 draw. They went through the season, the Manning Cup season, undefeated. Invincibles. So JC are the Invincibles at this present moment, people. They are the Invincibles. Can you imagine if they win the Champions Cup and also win the Olivier Shield? That would have been the Triple Crown and also Invincible whilst doing the Triple Crown. Whew. Yeah. Boy. Yeah. Anyways, all right, so let's continue. So JC, as I said, JC registered 2 draw. The 2 draw were against St. Catherine High. A 0-0 draw and a 1-1 draw. 1-1 draw was the TV draw, yeah, with TV, rain, wash out, everything. So it got tough. 0-0 draw at Prison Oval. I was at that game. Now, let's get back to the meat of the matter. KC drew 1 game, but they lost twice. They lost twice. Lost in the semi-finals of the Manning Cup. And they were defeated by Georges. Yeah, and really, really good battle. And it's football. That is football. No. What is at stake? What is at stake? This is the only trophy KC can play for. JC is quite comfortable already winning the Manning Cup, but I do believe that they will be going for the Champions Cup. I 100% believe that they will be going for the Triple Crown. I believe that 100%. Now, the Champions Cup is at hand. The only opportunity for KC to walk away with something. I'm leaving with something, I'm leaving with something. AKA Mr. Denzel Washington. So KC, they're adamant that they're leaving with something. After defeating really in a sublime fashion Clarendon College in the semi-finals of the Champions Cup. They got thrashed. Not thrashed, but they got beaten in the Manning Cup semi-finals against very good stats team who went on to the finals. Didn't win as well, but good encounter. Nonetheless, they got beat against stats, and they turn around with a really good performance and defeat Clarendon College 4-2. As I said, X Factor. So, all I'm talking, people, please remember the X Factor. So, JCFC, as one would say, can they do the triple? Who is in front of them? KCFC. KCFC. As people say KFC? No. KCFC people. Can KCFC stop them? Interesting. As I said, X Factor. Yeah, X Factor. Big plausible here. Now, nonetheless, let's have a look at some little bit more detailed statistics. So JC have conceded a total of 0.3 goals per game. That equates to they only conceding 7 goals in the 19 games. Still out point. 7 goals in the 19 games, people. 19 games only concede 7 goals. Now, who is at the heart of that? None other than the man himself, Romain Blake. He's at the heart of that JC defense. He's the one who's dictating that JC team. He's at the heart of the defense, and he has been phenomenal so far this season. Not so much for KC. 18 games, conceding 16 goals. They're basically conceding 0.9 goals per game. Remember, they concede 16 goals in 18 games, whilst JC conceded 7 goals in 19 games. So the JC goal convert the ratio or the rate at which they're conceding goals is 0.37. 0.37 goals per game. And also, in context, KC are conceding 0.89, basically 0.9, almost 1 goal per game, almost a goal per game, which means that you basically score upon them already. Just trying to concede. Anyways, there's only one game KC have played this season that they have yet to score in, and that was a draw with Ozemarty. Other than that, I've scored in almost every. I think they've scored in every game. Similar to it with JC. JC did not score in the first game against St. Catherine, but they scored in every other game after that. Every other game after that, of course, yeah. Did they win 1-1? Yeah, 2-1-1 penalties and a 1-0. Yeah, interesting stuff. Anyways, so scoring ratio now is similar. Both are scoring goals at 4.1 goals per game. 4.1 goals, averaging 4.1 goals per game, which is a lot, people. Means that if they play 10 games, they must score 40 goals. Yeah, so that is the ratio at how they are scoring goals. Now, X Factor. Player to look out for in this game. Whisper. Why Whisper? 29 goals, 18 assists is not something you can really look past. You can't look past that. And I don't think that JC is going to make the same mistake that like what KC did and not factor in the X Factor player that's going to be on the pitch. And it's if he plays. I'm hearing some story that he might not be available, but I'm not sure to that. I'm factoring that he will be playing. Yeah, keep it right there. So I don't think that JC will make the same mistake that that CC did in not not particular keeping an eye on the X Factor player that is on the pitch. You have to keep. It's like playing against Argentina and said, hey, we can play them off the park. Let's not worry about Lionel Messi. And boom, 1/100th of a second, ball is in the back of the net. Or he's putting the ball at someone's toe point in front of the goal and it's a goal. You can't do that. X Factor players, you have to be keyed on them. You have to know what they're doing. You have to know them. You have to study these players. These players are what? Impact game. So, anyways, I do think that would have covered everything. I do believe that would have covered everything, people. It's a bit of a long video. I never wanted it to be so long. But anyways, people, remember, we're on the road to 25,000 subscribers by the end of December. I'm not sure if I'm going to make it there, people. I tell the truth. Yeah, it's a layman term. I'm not sure. But the only way we can reach here, people, is by you guys smashing that like button. It's not a subscribe button, people. But guess what? If you did like this video, please do smash the like button. Please do share the video if you did like it. If not, no problem. Let people who like it watch it. And let people who like it watch it, like it. So if you're watching it and don't like it, and you didn't like the video, don't watch it. Does that make sense? Food for thought. Anyways, people, smash the like button. Big up. Thank you very much for having you guys. And also, please don't forget to share the video. Until next time, people. MG Sports TV. We are out. Boom.